guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annie and you're watching For a Record with Annie. Let's get begin. So now we will creating this phone mockup. We will copy this first artboard and make this interaction to upwards. And now we will creating a login, sign in and sign up form for this phone mockup. We will add the text just to create this mockup. We will copy this text to the second image also and make the text to black. For the text input, we will be creating with this rectangle. We are just creating the basic. We will align this all rectangles. And add a rectangle for the button. And make it two linear gradients with the purple and black color. And for the second image, we will copy all these rectangles and we will pasting this all to the second image. And make the rectangles to black for the second image as we have created the interaction with white color. So now for the last artboard, we will copying this one more time and we will play with the 3D transform we will make all this a group. For the first image, we will be grouping all the elements in it so that we can rotate the image using the 3D transform with all the elements. So we will be selecting all the elements in the first image and we will group it. And as for the second image, we will be grouping all that elements also. We will be adjusting the first image with the 3D transform. I've just written the sign up. Okay, now we will be grouping all these elements with the second image. For grouping all this, press Ctrl to selecting the elements. Now we will be using the 3D transform for this image also and adjust it with the 3D mockup. That's all for this. Now we will be creating this. Now we'll be creating the prototype for this. Go to prototype tab, and on the first artboard we will be selecting the interaction to the second artboard with an ease in, and for the second also same. Now for the second artboard we will be making this to ease in only, and we will be creating the backward motion with in ease in out. So we will preview this. So it will look like this, and if we click on the image, it will just create the 3D mockup. So next,
as you now watch the full video, if you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are a new user watching my YouTube channel, please press the red subscribe button because in future I will upload more content like this on my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. It will notify you when I upload a new video. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel to get knowledge.